Hello guys, welcome back to another lit video. My name is Lorraine. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. To the returning subscribers, thank you very much. To the new subscribers, karibuni sana huku. And without any further talking, let's get into the video, organize everything and everything I've bought. So just keep up, follow, leave your comments down below, tell a friend to tell a friend about Lorraine ROBI. Let's do this. So this is everything I've bought, and I don't have equipment. I swear I don't have equipment. I like to do more, but I'm a bit limited, so we work with what I have currently. Got this energy drinks or juice. I normally like to mix this brand, my daughter's favorite juice. This for myself. Indomie pancake valley, it's a drink. Red Bull, sugar, rice over there, cereal side. We saw somebody wanted this in the supermarket and I didn't know how to say no. Favorite ice cream. I bought water, ringos for my kids, onions, tomatoes, apple, oranges, serviette, spaghetti. On this side I have personal effect soap, toothpaste. Downy, I didn't buy the big one because I'm not staying long in the village. Menengai soap, toothbrush for washing dishes. This is a moisturizer for my face. This is a cleanser, Morning Fresh to wash dishes, hand wash, Imperial bathing soap. I bought this toss, fabric softener or whatever, Hanan tissues. Then I like this, it's a kitchen surface cleaner. Like it. If you're you will see that I normally just buying the brands that I'm normally used to. If you can recommend some, I'll highly appreciate. Apple, oranges, tomatoes, onions, baby juice, soda, Dairyland ice cream. I bought Keringet water, Sunrise, Quick Choice, Ringos. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snacks, more chips, crisps, Thank you guys for watching this vlog up to this particular point. If this is the kind of video that you like, remember to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification. I'll see you guys in my next lit video. Peace.